Alright guys, here we go again, round two. Rains, and we have another storm coming. Looks like it could be severe. Daylight should be getting here pretty quick. It's, what time is it, Connor? It's 5:30 in the morning. But I was going to try to show you all the lightning. Looks like a pretty big storm. Radar looks like a pretty big storm. A little bit of lightning over toward Nowata. That's pretty much right over the north end of Ulagal Lake right now is where it's lightning. And that's where we're planning on going fishing, so the roads, as you can tell on my other videos, will probably really be messed up. I'm trying to get y'all a good lightning strike. It stopped whenever I turned it on. I thought maybe I could get y'all something good. Kind of show you what's coming in. I'll update you on the video. Dogs are already barking, so they know it's coming. I think they're as tired of the rain as I am. But, yeah, it looks like it's not going to lightning for me now that I went and got the recorder and turned it on. But they're showing it's supposed to be a pretty good storm coming. There's a little bit of lightning there. So, we'll see what happens, and maybe I can get you some good video. Also, if you like weather videos, I will have some good weather videos for you this year. As you know, we are in Tornado Alley, right where we're at. I live right out in an open pasture in the country, so I've had the opportunity of filming some really good videos of some really good storms, some lowerings, and a couple of tornadoes. So if you're into that, just hang on to my channel and you'll definitely see some videos coming up this spring. Appreciate you guys watching. I walked out here to see if I could get you some of it. I don't know how long I can stay. It's starting to sprinkle, but looks like there's a lot of electric in this one. Hear the thunder.
Whoa! Look over there.
There's a lot of lightning. Looks like more. Turn my light on. We got rattlesnakes out here.
Yeah, we do.
I sure don't want to step on a rattlesnake. Alright.
Very strong storm.
Alright.
I can see that cloud over there. It is
Waiting for it.
checking for any snakes.
Getting some wind. There's tornado water. Up there. Well, I'll be doing some editing in this picture because this is pretty boring.
Yeah, I'll film some. Wow, I got that on film.
Got us a bright strike right there.
We may have to run.
Alright guys, it's starting to rain, so I'll try to get what I can from the house for you.
going over it, guys. Right in this area. So it's moving pretty in pretty quick.
These storms, guys, just updated. They are moving at 65 miles an hour. They say it's over no water right now. That's across my pasture. You should be able to see a tower. Let me see if I can zoom in. There's a red towers over here. Those are close. It's about 6 miles. Y'all can see the bank on this cloud. I don't know if my video will show it. Well, guys, the creek didn't come up as much as I was expecting it to, so looks like no catfish. And there's a log in the middle of the road. It'd be difficult to drive by. It's up a little. It's usually not this full, but
It's true.
usually expect it to be up a lot more than this to be able to fish it. You need it at least off the concrete pad there. But I don't know, guys. We may come back and try it tomorrow if I get some stuff done and get enough time. The water's seeping down the hill here, you can see into it, so it gets a lot of fresh water running into it all the time. So just stay tuned, guys, and maybe we can get you some fish.